How's everyone doing? Today's project is how to change the oil on one of these 4-stroke single stage snowblowers. Hello everybody, thanks for joining me on my small engine repair channel. Like I said, today's video is on how to change the oil on one of these smaller single stage snowblowers. If you're new to the channel and you're interested in small engine repair, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified each and every time I post a new video. But on to today's project is this single stage snowblower. This particular one has a Briggs & Stratton engine, but it'd be very similar. I'll show you this one over here to this guy, which is an MTD. It's actually Boland's, but it's made by MTD. Has a Tecumseh engine, and as you can see, it also has a drain plug right here. So that one has fresh oil. This one does not. So I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this guy right here. So first thing you're going to want to do is run your machine for about 5 minutes. Get the oil nice and warm, and that'll help when you go to drain the oil. The viscosity will be a little bit thinner, and it will flow a little bit better. So I've already done that. The next thing you're going to do is just basically take off this drain plug. It's very simple. This one happens to be a 3/8, so you can use an adjustable wrench if you want. If you're not sure exactly what size, or in this case, I have a 3/8 wrench. So just going to get yourself some sort of a collection bin. This is just a chopped down like windshield wiper bottle, I think. And you're gonna go ahead and open up this drain plug. This one looks like it has a little bit of thread locker on it. And just make sure your drain pan or collection pan is positioned so you don't make a mess. Now, what might help you for draining it out faster, a little bit faster, so you can loosen off that cap, and then you can just go ahead and tip your machine back. And that'll help to drain out all the oil. And you can see from the oil coming out of here, it's fairly dark. You're going to want to do this, guys, every 20 hours or so, or once a season. It really takes just 10 minutes of your time. Very easy, basic. Alright, looks like she's just about finished. Now guys, if you have the owner's manual for your particular machine, it will tell you the capacity of the oil. I currently don't have the manual for this particular machine because I'm not the original owner. But there you go. It looks like it's pretty much dripped all the way out now. If you want, you can go ahead and put a little bit more thread locker on your nut, bolt, whatever. In my case, I'll just put it back in here. You just want to make sure it's snug. Alright guys, so this is the stuff I'm going to use. It's a Motor Master brand. It's just like a brand from a local auto parts store called Canadian Tire here in Canada. It's a 5W30 oil, and I'm not brand specific. I just buy pretty much what's on sale. So I'm going to measure out 500 milliliters to start and put that in the engine, and then we'll show you how to check the oil quantity. Alright guys, so I got the 500 mils put in there, and I'm putting my clean dipstick in. And on this particular model, you put it all the way down and turn it into place. So it's very important to make sure you get the proper oil amount in these machines, guys. So on this particular dipstick, there is an area with a hatched area for a low end and a high end. So I'm looking to have it right about the high end. And so here we can see that's just about perfect. The oil is right up at the high end. I'll do it one more time. So here we go. Right there. It's right perfect at the high end, guys. So that's perfect, about 500 milliliters for this machine. Most of these would take between 400 and 600 milliliters for these smaller engines. Alright guys, and that's it. Very quick video for you today, and if there's one maintenance thing I can stress or can't stress enough is making sure the oil gets changed. It's basically the blood, the lifeline of these machines, and if you want them to last, just change your oil once a year, guys. It's 10 minutes. 5 minutes of that was actually running it to get it warmed up. So hopefully it was informative, guys. If you liked it, please go ahead and hit the like button, and until the next video, guys, take care.